What's going on, guys? Tony Johnson here with the Game Time Gurus, and I'm so excited that you landed on this page. Now, first, before we get started, I want to let you know who this video is not for. This video is not for the person that does not love sports. This video is not for the person that can't tell the rosters of teams and don't know stats. It's not for you. If you're not a sports fan, then I don't want to waste your time. You can move on. But for that avid sports fan that loves playing FanDuel, that loves playing DraftKings, that knows statistics, that knows the rosters, that knows when certain trades are going down, this is for you. What if you can make money? I'm talking about substantial income, not just FanDuel and things like that. Those things are good. But what if you can make money day by day in the sports market, betting on live games? We show you how to do it live. I'm not going to do too much talking. Down below is a button. Hit that button to become a free member. And inside of our members area, we got 7 videos that break it all down for you. Sports Investing 101, the profit winning blueprint. I want you to get this free training. Learn what we do that makes us different than the next guys. And if you like what you see, consider being a VIP paid member. Other than that, guys, God bless you. Touch the button below, man. Free information. You're going to love what you hear. God bless.